Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Chigirl Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to use pineapple to just reduce that belly fat and keep in shape. If this is like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Click on that red button down below and turn up the notification so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. Once again. So the first thing we need here is our pineapple. I'm gonna cut a little bit of it. I'll just take off the hair. Just cut a little bit of it, of the pineapple. I'm gonna make use of this quantity. If you want to make it in a large quantity, you can go ahead and double everything we are gonna use in this recipe. If I've been following this channel for a long time, you know that we don't throw pineapple peels away. We use it for weight loss drink. In case if you want to know how to make a weight loss drink with pineapple peels, just go through the videos. I've made a series of videos on how to reduce weight and belly fat with pineapple peels. Just keep on watching. Now I'm gonna just put it in a leather and put it inside the freezer. So I'll just cut the pineapple. And I'll add it straight to the plate. I'll set it aside. The second thing we need is our cucumber. I'll just cut half of this cucumber. So I'm making use of this. I'll just slice it. Please keep on watching. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to use it for better results. Just keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn up your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Add it straight to the plate. And I'll set it aside. The next thing we have here is lemon. I'm making use of 1 lemon in this recipe. I will cut it. If you don't have lemon, you can replace it with lime. Okay. Now add it inside the plate with the cucumber. I'll just add everything together because I'm gonna blend all together. This ingredient is ginger. I'll just cut the quantity I'm gonna use for it. I'll just make use of this quantity and I'll peel off the back of the ginger. Guys, it cannot go wrong with ginger. If I've been following this channel, you know that I don't play with ginger when it comes to weight loss drink. So just keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I will cut it. Guys, you cannot go wrong with ginger. When it comes to belly fat burner, you can't go wrong with ginger. So I'll add it straight to the pineapple plate. Right now I'm placing my blender In case if you miss the recipe, the first thing I'm gonna add is lemon and cucumber. So the next is the ginger and pineapple. Add 1 cup of water. Cover to blend. Blend it. I'm gonna use my strainer to strain it. I'll just press everything down. Guys, remember we don't throw away the fiber. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, keep on watching. There's one more thing I'm gonna add to this. This remedy works so well. Just keep on watching. So this is it. I'll just remove the foam. You can still go ahead if you don't like the foam. You can still go ahead and just drink that way. I'll just mix everything. The next thing I have here is my apple cider vinegar. I'll just add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'll mix everything together. Yeah guys, yeah, it's ready. So guys, this is what you need to just reduce that belly fat and just keep in shape. This remedy works so well. It just cut down that belly fat and just keep in shape. And when you drink it in the morning, it will just make you to eat less. By doing that, you'll be shedding a lot of weight. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.